What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, it's been a minute, and forgive me for the lack of putting out content. You can know the last video was like a month and a half ago at Tuner Evo, so really apologize for that. It's just been really busy with work and just been honestly just enjoying hanging out with my friends instead of trying to put a camera in front of their face. So hopefully you guys understand. Follow me on IG though, because I post a lot more reels, clips, and like just photos of the car and what we're actually doing. So make sure you guys follow me there. No gel in the hair, but we're here at Autowerks and we're about to do probably going to be one of my most favorite mods once it's done, but it's something I've always wanted to do. So hopefully you guys are with me on it. But for the longest time, everyone's hated on the S55 engine noise exhaust note. There's an equal length mid pipe made by Active Autowerks, so that's what we're going to be installing today. So gonna be changing up my exhaust quite a bit. We got to change the muffler. Somebody who had it before me already had it cut on this other muffler, and so I'm gonna let you guys know what that is and what the setup is, and hopefully we can get some exhaust notes. But as you can see, it's not a beautiful sunny day, so hopefully we can get this done in just a bit. And shout out to Kenny for letting me do it today. Didn't think it was gonna be pouring like this, but we're gonna knock out this video, so stay tuned, you guys. Ooh, look at her though. She looks super clean. The homie Xavier. All right, obviously I'm gonna set the car up outside, but yeah, if you guys didn't know, we got the M Performance steering wheel. So in order to turn it on, you gotta hold these two things, and then you finally get the light up gauge. But yeah. That's how she sounds right now. Stock exhaust, you guys. All we did was catless downpipes. Man, the myth, the legend.
What's up, man? Show them your hair.
No. Nah, they saw it already. I already started the vlog. If you guys need anything, hit them up. It works weekends too.
What the fuck? Nah.
We out here. He's got a full house, so very thankful that he was down to do it today. But yeah, let me set up the camera and then give you guys like 2 more little revs. I don't want to be obnoxious out here. All right, we'll leave it right there. Well, there you guys have it. That's how she sounds right now. Obviously, to me, it sounds really good for stock exhaust, and a lot of people have asked me about what exhaust setup I'm actually running, and I'm like, I haven't done anything. Mine's not even the competition, so just keep that in mind. Also, still got to slap on my badges. While we're here though, I did want to show you guys some other stuff that I ended up picking up. My trunk is pretty filthy right now, but we got some new towels. Shout out to Bay for getting me this dope BMW M Performance little baggie so I can organize. But we got some other stuff in here that I haven't showed you guys yet.
That's my payment for installing this exhaust today.
Forgot I gotta install that. And we got an Alcantara with carbon fiber shift.
Ooh,
little e-boot. My shit's ripping, dude. My white center thing, yeah. That's why I was like, I have to pick this up, but I've been too lazy. Yeah. If you guys didn't know, this one's pretty cool because when you slide the armrest forward, you get this carbon fiber. So that's dope, both M Performance. It's gonna help match with this with the steering wheel. But we'll see when we get to that. See? Stock exhaust, you guys. Not lying, no cutouts. Damn.
Yours is like way less fucked up than mine.
I be scraping, my boy. That low life. Tires are looking okay. Yeah, tires are fine. Thank you, Kenny, for the alignment and installing the wheels, the tires. Yeah, we're good. We're solid, man. Oh, my boy. Look at these fatties, bro. Oh, my. I've never been under my car. This is the first time I'm seeing this whole stock exhaust setup. So we've been under Kenny's, but he already had
All the mods.
stuff done to it already. Fully built.
Yeah.
But wow. Dang, dude. Just these alone is gonna make it so much louder.
Just not clap.
Holy shit, bro.
You want that resonated or non-resonated?
Oh yeah, resonated for sure. I know just on the other one it's gonna have because we're gonna switch it to, so I haven't even told you guys yet, but we're gonna be switching from the stock exhaust muffler in the rear. We're gonna be changing it to the competition muffler, so it's gonna even have the black tips on it. On the competition muffler, it's been cut already, so it's gonna flow perfectly with the new one. Yeah, oh, that's fine.
I don't think you see it.
I don't think so. I'm gonna want to change these at some point anyways. Got some black ones. Sick. Yeah, I think the muffler's the same, to be honest.
It's the same thing, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Yep. No difference. Whatever. We gotta do whatever it takes.
That's why you come after hours, because you can't see us.
That's why you had me sign that waiver.
He's like, whatever we do, he's like, found some aluminum pieces. What else we got?
Man, that's from a Tesla, bro. Aluminum grade steel.
You know what you can do with aluminum tools? What's dope is we're still gonna have valves, baby. Wow, thanks for holding my pipe.
I got no comeback for that.
Alright. We doing it.
Let me pipe you up, boy.
Alright, you guys. Mid pipe is on. Luckily, the gaskets were really, really good still. So, probably on the next one. On the next install, we're gonna probably have to get new ones. But if you don't know, you guys can run it without a resonated connection to the axle back. Or you can run resonated, and now I know why, because I'm probably obviously gonna add his car with his setup when we were installing it on his car, but yeah, it sounds way better with the resonators on, to be honest. You actually get that whole inline six sound. Mm-hmm. Low-key, Xavier's over there shooting another video. So he's out here too, the homie. So I guess there's still gonna be some, but obviously not as big as the other ones. Some resonation. Definitely a lot smaller, but definitely less restrictive also than those fatties over there. Even my mid pipe's gold now. Well, we had one sacrifice. Just kidding. We gotta do that.
This is tight.
I hope these shits work. Make sure the other one's in all the way. Didn't really feel like it. There she is with the black tips. No. Pretty cool. Kind of blends in with the diffuser. The last piece to the puzzle. It's official. Like a referee with a whistle. Well, we finished. But yeah, there's gonna be a part 2. and we'll explain that later. We're gonna start her up, see how she sounds. Exhaust seems to be looking straight on, so yeah, we'll get back to that later on another day. Yeah, I'm excited to see how she sounds for now.
I gotta get to Burbank in like 10 minutes. Rattle. Sounds the same.
Better than when it sounded on mine. It sounds way more like it. That shit's loud. It's much louder.
Godspeed.
Jesus. Wait, rev it for me one time.